Okay. You made this, eh?
Yeah,
I wonder whether these squirrels do not eat it more than the bird.
they do.
They do,
They
right?
do. But there's not much you can do.
Discourage them somehow, no?
Well, the only thing you do is shoot them.
No, but when you place it under some, let's say, narrow roof where the bird, with the squirrels,
They'll climb right up the top and go around. They're very ingenious.
they can
like
squeeze
they-
into the same spot like a bird, right?
Well, you'd have to build something enclosed with a very small hole in it,
Yeah,
and like the birds can't get through a small hole.
coming.
But the
Yeah, I got
we
it.
have a steel one.
He made them.
Jeremy, we have a steel one with a perch on the front. The birds land on there, then they can reach in and get the seed.
I see.
Now, when a big bird or a squirrel gets on there, the weight
I see.
closes the door.
Uh-huh.
Now that works.
Yeah.
Now the other thing you can do, you can put a squirrel baffle. Like you can have, if this is some distance away from a tree so they can't jump, you have a piece of tin coming out here and going all around so they can't get up.
How do you call it?
Baffle. B-A-F-F-L-E.
Baffle.
Baffle. Yeah. There may be. Like if you can reach that, turn that nail and you can open it up. Up. Probably down or up. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. No, nothing in there.
There is a nut.
Egg.
Oh, a squirrel's been in there.